Hi, my name is Gavin, and today I have a nature box to open, and I have one pack of Rolling Skies. And I'm going to open XY Rolling Skies first. We got a Voltorb, Inkay, Binacle, Lucha, Cascoon, a Skyfield, a Ninjask, a Dustox, Pikachu Reverse, and a Banette Rare. So, bad pulls. Onto the nature box. Organize my cards. So onto the nature box. We got a picture of people there. And we got a bag of dark cocoa nom noms. We got sweet blueberry almonds, jalapeno cashews, cranberry medley, and masa crisp. Taste them. So let's start off with a mass of crisps. It smells good. So, looks like this. They taste like pretzels, but it's much more saltier. So onto the jalapeno cashews. They look like this. It smells like jalapenos. It tastes like jalapenos and almonds. So, cranberry medley. Looks like this. Looks like raisins. It's really good. They taste just like cranberries. So, sweet blueberry almonds. It looks like this. Really good. I love it. It tastes like almonds, but sweeter. Tastes good. So onto the dark cocoa nom noms in the big bag. Oh, they're huge. Like this. They're really good. They're like oatmeal but hard with chocolate on it. Really good. There's only like 3 more inside. Or 4, I don't know. Really good.
So which one's your favorite?
Maybe it's this one. That's my dog Cooper. He's a Pembroke Welsh Corgi. He's just 1 year old. That's the garbage. So bye guys. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, Cooper.